amidst all this beauty and diversity. Our nature tells a different tale. A tale of its people, whose hospitality embraces everyone. With smiles that warm your heart. A tale of its harvest that gifted us the happiest moments. A tale that changes with every place you visit. Where laughter never fades. Or a tale where you live the moment. With happiness and peace of mind. A tale of its farms that open their doors to those near and far. In Solan, tales renewed from nature.